Hello and welcome to my CPE301 Design Assignment 1A presentation. This first design assignment was to divide a 16-bit number with a 8-bit divisor. You can see on the top here, this was the requirements of what registers were to hold which data. I chose a quotient value of 10,000 or 0x2710 in hex and a divisor value of 75 or 0x4b in hex. We should be expecting a remainder value of 25 or 0x19 in hex. So if we go ahead and look at this first block of code here, this is just setting up our registers. We're putting our low and high quotients values into separate registers to split them up because it's a 16-bit number. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. As we get started here, you can see that we're decrementing our R16 and R17 registers as we go through this subtraction loop. And we're going to want to get our R17 register down low before we start going in further into the code. So every time this loop is checking, we're checking to be sure that we're decrementing our R17 when our R16 register is too small. So we're getting that rollover every time. So here we're down now to just 1 bit remaining in our most significant bit of our quotient. And we're going to start stepping through here again. We're going to complete the subtraction loop again. And now we see that our carry flag is set. We're going to run through here, checking for 0. Quotient was 0, so we're going to increment the counter again. And our counter is going to keep track of what our final result is, and then we're going to add that to a register when we're finished here. So we're running through here. We're completing this every time here. And we're still decrementing our R16 register. So here we added our remainder and we added our result. And if you look here, we have 085 and we're going to go ahead and just bring up our calculator real quick here, and we ended up with 4b. We're going to multiply that by our 0.85. And we end up with 9,975. So we got our remainder of 25 as expected. And our remainder of 25 as a hex value is 19. And you can see that's stored right here in R16 in our correct register. So the assignment worked, and I will also include a C code in the write-up to prove that the C code worked as well. Thank you for watching.